welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel and I'm back with another video. I know you guys saw the title, so you already know what's up. Alright guys, so in today's video I will be giving you 10 different gift ideas for your man for Valentine's Day, for his birthday, for Christmas, for anything like that, any special occasions where you're trying to get your man a gift. You know, I'm coming through for you. Now, if you're like me, when it's nothing going on in the year, meaning it's not his birthday, it's not Valentine's Day, you think of all the things in the world that you can get them. But when it comes down to it, when it's time, you are drawing a blank. But I'm here for you. So before we get started, let's just say this. You got to know your man. You got to know what your man like, what he don't like. You have to know some type of idea so that you know you're not getting the wrong gifts for him. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this list. I was going to combine this with gift ideas for women, but I didn't want to make the video too long. So ladies, this video is for us. Gift ideas for your man. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So number one, cologne. I mean, why not? That's for you and him, right? Okay, I love to get my man cologne because it just, when he's smelling a certain way, it makes me feel a certain way. Like, I love it. I'm gonna leave some recommendations here on the screen. My top 3 favorites is gonna be YSL. I also like the Dior Sauvage, and then here lately I've gotten him Dolce & Gabbana The One. So I always get him colognes, you know, trying out different things to see what mixes well with his body chemistry. But ladies, if you're looking for one cologne in particular, it shouldn't break the bank. You know, it's not too expensive, but I guarantee your man will love it. The YSL. The YSL, girl, that cologne is bomb. Bomb. If you don't take anything else from this list, get that YSL cologne, okay? And make sure you get this one. Don't get all those other ones, get this one. This one smells good. Number 2, you can get him shoes. If you know that his favorite type of shoes are coming out. If there's shoes that he's mentioned before, shoes that he may like or that he doesn't have, get him some shoes. Now also make sure you get the right size. So if it takes a little investigation, you know, looking at his closet, making sure you're getting the right size, be sure to do that, because there's nothing like getting someone a gift and it's the wrong size, it's too big or too small. So just do it right. Look at his shoes and see what size the shoes are so that you can be sure you're getting the right size, okay? Okay. So number 3, get him some clothes, whether it be a polo shirt, different type of shirts, or some nice jeans, you know, something like that. If you need to help him step it up, you know, get him something that you think he might look good in. And again, back to the sizing, make sure you're getting the right size. Nothing to look at his shirt or his jeans. Take a picture, make sure you're getting the right size, and you know, and that's it, and go shopping. So number 3, clothing. Number 4, if he's a guy that likes fitted hats, definitely get him a fitted hat. I know for my man, he don't really like the snapbacks. So see what type of hat your man like, you know, what he has in his closet. If it's fitted hats, then it's a particular size. So again, look at that hat, take a picture, make sure you get the right size so that he can actually wear this when the time comes. Look at his like color scheme or the teams that he likes, you know, just do a little research so you're not just picking out anything and then he don't like it at the end of the day. So yes, fitted hats. All right, so number 5, get him a nice watch. And you don't have to, you know, spend thousands of dollars. You know, you can go to Macy's and pick out a nice watch. Those Armani Exchange watches or whatever brand that he likes. But get him a nice watch, something that'll look good on his wrist, you know, whether it be something work friendly, something casual, or for something, you know, when he wants to step out. You know, just get him a nice watch. I'm sure he'll like that. Number 6. Depending if he's someone that likes electronics, you can get him like some AirPods. You can even engrave the AirPod case for free on apple.com with his name, I love you, anything like that. They do free engraving on the AirPod case. You can get him a Bluetooth speaker, like a wireless speaker, like those JBLs. I'm gonna put a picture here. Those are great. Some Bluetooth headphones or some wireless headphones, those would be great as well. So number 7, this goes back to knowing your man. Does he like to work out? Is he trying to work out? Is he like a gym rat? You know, whatever the case is. If so, you can get him a new gym bag, a weight set. You can get him some gym shoes, some gym workout clothing, nice little bottle to take with him to the gym. You can get him those Bowflex dumbbells. Those change the weights for each one, so it's not like 5 or 6 different sets of 5 pounds, 10 pounds, 20 pounds weights laying around. The Bowflex dumbbell set is great. So yep, another little tidbit. So number 8, is he a gamer? Does he like to play games? Does he like to play video games? PlayStation, Xbox, the new virtual reality, what are those, the Oculus? What does he like to do? You know what I'm saying? If he's a gamer, you can get him some of those gaming headphones where he can talk to the other players. You can get him a new game like 2K. You can get him 2K22, you know, or the most updated version of his game or anything like that. So I'm sure he would love that. So number 9, if he's into like cars or his car, you can get him like some custom car mats, like for if he has like a Jeep or a Chevy or anything like that, custom to the car. Different car accessories, you know, those LED lights, you know, whatever to make his car a little more, you know, top notch on the inside. Also, maybe he wants to get his car windows tinted. That's another thing that you can do as well. So keep that in mind. So number 10, get him a massage. You know, it'll be better if you make it a couples massage, but get him a massage. You know, maybe he's been working out a lot or working period and he just needs to relax and unwind. So a massage would be a nice thing to do for him, but make it a couples massage. Okay, so those were 10 things. I do have a couple more on the list. But again, this video was for 10 things to get your man for Valentine's Day, his birthday, any special occasion, okay? So the next one I have is actually number 11. Make him like a treat bag or like a treat basket. Put like all of his favorite snacks in there. It could be his favorite, you know, candy, chips, nuts, you know, anything like that that he really likes a lot. Just put it into like a little gift bag for him or a gift basket, and he'll love that and he'll enjoy it. And then last but not least, you can get him a nice robe or some boxers, some cute polo boxers or some ethicas or whatever, or a nice terry robe, something cushiony and feeling soft for when he get out the shower or just walking around the house. But yes, all right ladies, so that's it. That was 10 plus gift ideas for your man. I hope that this helps you out this Valentine's Day season. Again, this gift guide can be used for his birthday, for any other special occasion, for Christmas, whatever the case is. Gift ideas for your man. So ladies, let me know down below if you plan on getting any of these items for your man, if these gave you some good ideas or whatnot. Let your girl know. Also, before you leave, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below, and be sure to hit that bell so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. I do upload weekly here on this channel, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.